product of a methodical restoration, this brutal road warrior is a no-holds-barred classic that's ready to parade the cruise in and dominate the stoplight. Every piece of the car has been carefully crafted, with equal emphasis on performance and aesthetics. This slick hardtop's ground-up restoration was applied to what appears to be a solid, damage-free body. That body's panels were stripped, sanded, and massaged into a great-looking profile. Once that profile was correctly aligned, its vast surfaces were lit to life with a killer combination of black and red two-stage. That pigment was highlighted with a truckload of fresh trim, which includes factory mirrors, factory bumper guards, electric headlight doors, and modern Hemi emblems. And the result is a straight, fully sorted pavement pounder that elicits stares every time it hits the road. Between the doors, you'll find a tastefully customized interior that's attractive without being overbearing. Modern bucket seats join a factory bench in wearing tight leather that's bound by color-keyed French stitching. A custom dash frames Dakota Digital gauges and modern audio that's complete with navigation. The custom console founds a Hurst Pistol Grip Shifter in front of LED-lit cup holders, and the driver spins a polished and leather-wrapped steering wheel on a tilting column and stays cool thanks to modern climate control. Lift the hood to reveal a modern 6.1-liter Hemi that's a refined take on old-school muscle. It sends power through a Tremec 5-speed back to an 8 3/4-inch axle with a sure grip differential and 355 gears. Looking for an awesome muscle car to cruise and enjoy for years to come? You simply cannot go wrong with this stylish Charger. They don't get much more desirable than this, and this one is sure to be spoken for quickly. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.